across South Florida, donations have been pouring in around the clock. Volunteers have been busy collecting supplies and preparing it to be sent to Venezuela. CBS News Miami's Austin Carter joins us live at Global Empowerment Mission in Doral, where it has been nonstop there for several days. Austin.
Yeah, and Naja, I'm just going to be honest. This is something we'd normally see here in South Florida right before or after a hurricane. Folks lined up and waiting hours to get supplies. But today, this is folks showing up, waiting in really long lines to make donations. And we're talking critical supplies going to a country that we are so deeply connected to and one that really needs our help. And South Florida definitely heard that cry for help. You can see out here at the GEM headquarters in Doral, this is a full-fledged operation. You could see dozens of volunteers lined up. Police, they're out here as well. And you've got this long line of cars. Again, these are folks wrapping around the building onto the nearby streets trying to make those donations. Now, folks have been dropping off non-perishable food, hygiene products, baby items, you name it. And even the Dolphins players trading the field for the front lines of relief here. Just about 30 minutes ago, players carrying boxes, thanking volunteers for all of their hard work. And these extra hands certainly welcome for those out here in the heat. It's pretty brutal out here, I'm not going to lie. And those donations are just so critical. So again, we're at the GEM headquarters. This is in Doral, right off of 84th, but traffic is so backed up towards 25th Street. So if you're in the area, expect some impacts here and just long lines as folks are trying to do what they can for Venezuela and making those donations. We're live here in Doral. I'm Austin Carter. We'll send it back to you.
During the toughest times, that's always when we see the very best of South Florida. Austin, thank you for that live report. And in Broward County, volunteers at Food for the Poor and Coconut Creek are also boxing up aid kits for people in Venezuela. The kits include food and hygiene products. For some of the people involved, this is very personal. Cesar Guevara is organizing the effort. He's from nearby Caracas. He's asking for help with donations, specifically canned food, hygiene products, and money.
The funds are going to mobilize containers. So with the funds, we're going to be paying the freight to be able to mobilize containers. And we're going to mobilize a large number of containers to Venezuela. That is the plan.
Some of those containers are heading out today. Food for the Poor is also looking for volunteers to help pack the boxes. If you want to help, scan the QR code on your screen to donate to GEM's Earthquake Relief Fund. And then join us this Wednesday night at 7 p.m. for a live half-hour special, Hope for Venezuela. We will have the latest developments from the country, how South Florida is coming together to support those who have lost so much, and what we can all do in the days to come. It is this Wednesday night at 7, right here on CBS Miami.